Hey, this is R2Me2, and for this tip I'm going to be showing how we can manipulate items as we place them over image items. So in an earlier video I showed how you could take something like a wall texture like this brick wall and place it on your wall to add a nice texture and feel for your room. Same with in the back here, where you can put images up to make it look like you have a different view coming from outside. Sometimes when you have items placed on the walls or images placed on the walls, your new items that you place on top don't fully show on top of them because they're both trying to be placed on top of the wall that is behind. So for instance, this lamp right here, you can't see the base of it because it's actually behind the item. This one is actually sitting on top of the wall fine, but I'll show you what it looks like in just a sec. So I'm going to adjust my view and show. So for instance, with the lamp is supposed to have a base, but as you can see, we don't see it. And sometimes with our image items placed over another one, you can see that it's going behind the wall here. And sometimes the item disappears completely like this. So in this case, I would actually have to move the wall temporarily to go and grab the item because now I can't grab it. Okay, so that took a sec just to manipulate things to get the right view from this camera angle. But the trick for dealing with these so that they always stay forward in front of the wall is to utilize something like a pillar or a wall. So what I'm going to do is grab, let's see what height this one is. This is a little short for where I have the wall, where I have the light. So I'm going to grab this size. This looks pretty good. And what I'll do is I'll rotate it. So you can rotate items using Q and E, like so. And I'm just going to place it here temporarily. I'm going to grab the lamp, place it, approximately where I had it before. And then the trick is you grab the wall, and then you move the wall just behind, like so. Once you click it in there, now it has a place to latch onto, and the base will show. So that same trick is going to work with an NFT or other image item. So again, I will rotate a wall, take my NFT, place it there, and then grab the wall and then move that into position to where it's just hidden like so. And now it's placed over the wall, just like that. So it's a quick one. Hope it helps.